Welcome to my maths class for 6th class students, IIT Foundation. Now matching. So Arab, Mahasamudram, Kharab, Google. So we have to match. We know Google is a 10 to the power of 100. It is given directly. Google is equal to 10 to the power of 100. And Arab is also 10 to the power of 9. Arab you can remember as 1 Arab is equal to 100 crores. 100 crores. That is equal to 100 means 10 square. Crore is 10 to the power of 7. Therefore, 10 to the power of 2 plus 7, 10 to the power of 9. And Kharab is Kharab is 10 square Arab. 10 square into Arab, that is 10 to the power of 11. Kharab is equal to 10 to the power of 11. Google 10 to the power of 100. Arab 10 to the power of 9. Mahasamudram is 10 to the power of 52. So Mahasamudram is 10 to the power of 52. You can easily remember if you practice them in 3-4 times. So 1 Arab is equal to 100 crores. 1 crore is 10 to the power of 7. 100 is 10 square. Therefore, 1 Arab is equal to 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 7. That is 10 to the power of 9. And Kharab is 100 Arabs. 100 means 10 square. Therefore, 10 square into 10 to the power of 9 is equal to 10 to the power of 11. So, 1 Kharab is equal to 10 to the power of 9. And the Mahasamudram is 10 to the power of 52. Google is 10 to the power of 100. Next 4 questions are fill in the blanks. 12th one is the absolute value of minus 36 is dash. The absolute value of minus 36 is written like this and it is equal to 36. The absolute value of any integer is the same integer without taking the sign, whether it is minus or plus. The absolute value is with plus only, no sign. Next, my absolute value or modulus of minus 7 minus modulus of minus 8 is equal to dash. Modulus means absolute value. Absolute value of a number is regardless of its sign, it is written 7 minus absolute value of minus 8 is 8. So 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. Next, 4 plus minus 8 minus 7, that is 4 plus, we have to remove this bracket, small bracket, plus or minus, minus. Therefore 4 minus 8 minus 7, that is equal to 4 minus 15 is equal to minus 11. So this is minus 11. Next, the sum of the two integers is minus 6 and one of them is 7. Then the other one is sum of the two integers is minus 6. So the other one is 7. Therefore, if we subtract this number or integer from the sum, we get the other number. Therefore, subtract 7 from the sum, which is equal to minus 7. So minus 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 13. So the other number is minus 13. Let us verify. One number is 7 and the other number is minus 13. So 7 plus minus 13 is equal to 7 minus 13, which is equal to minus 7. Therefore the sum of the two integers minus 6. Minus 6. So our answer is correct. The other number is minus 13. So next problem, which of the following statements is true? First one, the product of two negative integers is negative. The product of two negative integers is not negative. The product of two negative integers is positive. So this statement is wrong. Next one, the sum of a negative integer and a positive integer is always positive. No. It may be negative or positive. If the positive integer is greater, the sum is positive. If the negative integer is greater, the sum is negative. Therefore, it is not always positive. This statement is also wrong. Next, the product of two positive and two negative integers is positive. The product of two positive integers is positive, and the product of two negative integers is also positive. Therefore, the products, both the product of two positive and two negative integers is positive. It is correct, true. Let us see that last one also. The product of any number of negative integers is negative. No, this is wrong. The product of even numbers of negative integers is positive. Odd numbers of negative integers is negative. Therefore, the product of any number of negative integers is negative. This statement is wrong. Therefore, the statement C is true. So, in the next problem, which of the following statement is correct? Here, capital A is equal to minus 12 plus minus 15. B is equal to minus 16 minus 12. C is equal to minus 14 minus of minus 12. Then there are four statements which is true. So first we will find out the values of A, B, C. A is equal to minus 12 plus minus 15. Minus 12 plus minus 15 means plus or minus minus. Therefore minus 12 minus 15 minus 27. B minus 16 minus 12, both are minus. Therefore minus 16 minus 12 is minus 28. Minus 28. C minus 14 minus of minus 12. Minus of minus plus. Therefore minus 14 plus 12. This becomes plus 12. Minus 14 plus 12 is equal to minus 2. Minus 14 plus 12 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, which is greater among these two? Minus 2 is greatest. Then minus 27 is greater. Next, the smallest is minus 20. Minus 2 is greater than minus 27 is greater than minus 28. That is, C is greater than, A is greater than B. So C is greater than, A is greater than B. This is correct. This statement is true. Or you can verify on the number line. If it is a number line, negative numbers are on the left side of 0 and the positive numbers are on the right side. If this is minus 1, the minus 2, like that. Somewhere here we get minus 27 and minus 28. As we go on left, towards left, we get to the smaller numbers. Therefore 28, minus 28 is the smallest. Next minus 27, next comes minus 2. As we go to right side, right hand side, the value increases. Therefore minus 2 has the greatest value among these three. Therefore minus 2 is greater than minus 27 is greater than minus 28. That is, C is greater than A is greater than B. So C is greater than A is greater than B. This statement is true. Next problem is, which of the following properties are true? There are three properties were given and four options were given. First one is 14 divided by minus 2. 14 divided by minus 2. So positive number is positive integer is divided by negative integer. We get a negative number, but it is positive. Therefore, this is wrong. Minus 14 divided by 2. So negative integer divided by positive integer is negative. So this is correct. This statement B is correct. Next, minus 14 divided by minus 2. Minus 14 divided by minus 2. So plus minus gets cancelled. It is 7. So this is also correct. So options A and B. A is wrong. Therefore this is wrong. B and C. B is right. C is also right. Therefore this option is correct. Next, A and C. A is wrong. Therefore this is wrong. A, B, C. A is wrong. Therefore option B is correct. The statements B and C are true.